I need to know what to do about Electrolux dishwasher error codes.
Is that because it generates them so often or because of the cost to pay a pro to fix it?
Both issues.
Error code ER01 means a water leak has been detected.
I don't see a leak.
The leak could be from the drain hose or pumps, and the unit will hopefully shut off before it becomes a puddle on the floor.
That's assuming it isn't a leak sensor that is malfunctioning.
That would require replacing a leak sensor after checking to make sure it isn't. Assuming a leak from the garbage disposal or sink means it should turn off the dishwasher.
That's not the error message I'm seeing.
Error ER02 is the thermistor or turbidity sensor.
Thermistor is a fancy word for temperature sensor. What is turbidity?
That's the sensor seeing all the food residue in the dishwasher and that the thing is cleaning.
I may need to clean the thermistor sensor in order for it to work right.
A water leak into its chamber could cause it not to work right too, and a temperature sensor you could try to get around by running the dishwasher on only cold water so it doesn't worry about the water not getting hot.
It should get hot when the heating element turns on to dry the dishes.
Then you need to check the heating element's resistance and see if it is working.
Or just replace it.
Error code 03 is the wash motor failure. The manual says to turn off power to the dishwasher in that case.
Of course, since it isn't going to do anything but fill with water and drain.
If the wash motor wiring is fine, then the wash motor needs to be replaced.
Before doing that, I should check to see if there's an almond stuck in the wash motor or other food debris gumming it up.
If it is that dirty, you probably have a lot of things that need to be cleaned aside from the motor. If you get error 04 or 05, that's a vent failure or fan failure, though the code depends on the dishwasher model.
A vent failure isn't much of a problem if I don't tell it to dry and open the dishwasher door to air dry the dishes.
The error for a drain valve failure is error 7 or error 11, depending on the Electrolux dishwasher model.
I'd have a good idea that was the problem if the dishwasher didn't drain and the drain wasn't clogged.
The issue might be the wiring to the valve, or the valve itself might be stuck.
I'd rather replace the valve than fix it this time and risk it leaking next time I run it.
Error 08 is for the user interface. If the switch on it is damaged, you just need to replace it.
I'll still try all the buttons and reboot the dishwasher before replacing a part. The last thing I need is a $200 repair bill to power cycle my appliance.
Turning it on and off may not clear the error, but it could give you other errors like the control board is malfunctioning.
Then the solution is a new dishwasher.